Someone says something mean to you, and your entire brain just shuts down. It happens to everyone. But what if I told you there's a way to become completely immune to insults? I'm talking about turning insults into nothing. For the next 5 minutes, we are going to leak 3 ancient Stoic secrets that are basically a cheat code for your mind. This isn't about being tough. This is about becoming bulletproof. By the end of this video, you will be completely unbreakable. First up is the most fundamental power, the indifference shield. This is like activating God mode in real life. Imagine an insult as a package that just arrived at your door. You didn't order it, you don't want it, and you don't even have to open it. The ancient Stoic Epictetus said it's not what people say that hurts you, it's your own judgment about it. The insult is just the package. Getting angry is you choosing to open it, bring it inside, and let it stink up your house. Think about it this way. Someone's words are just vibrations in the air. They are literally powerless. They only gain power the second you decide they matter. Someone calls you a name? So what? Those are just sounds. They can't physically hurt you. They can't take money out of your bank account. They do zero damage unless you let them. By using the indifference shield, you're not just taking the hit. You are deciding the hit never even existed in the first place. You see the package, you recognize it's junk mail, and you throw it straight in the trash without a second thought. Okay, so you've learned to let insults bounce off you. But what if you want to have a little fun with it? That brings us to our second hack, the humor weapon. This is how you don't just block an insult. You grab it and you throw it right back. The Stoic philosopher Seneca knew that laughing at an insult is the ultimate power move. It shows the other person that they have absolutely zero effect on you. This is like the Uno reverse card for real life. Someone tries to hit you with a verbal attack, and you flip the entire game on them instantly. Let's say someone makes fun of your haircut. Instead of getting defensive, you agree with them, and then you multiply it by 1,000. Just laugh and say, I know, right? I asked my barber for the unemployed artist look, and I think he nailed it. Boom! You've just taken all their power and made yourself the center of the joke. You're not the victim anymore. You're the comedian. They wanted to see you get angry, but instead, you're laughing, and now they re the one who looks awkward. You're in complete control. You're learning how to make insults powerless, but if you want to learn the final, most advanced hack, you have 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button. Join the Unbreakable Squad, and let's unlock this last secret together. This final hack is the master level. It's called the silent observer. This is for when you don't want to block the insult. You don't want to reverse it. You want to make the other person wish they never said it at all. An insult is bait. It's a cheap trap designed to drag you down to their level and make you lose your cool. Silence is how you refuse to step into the trap. The great Roman emperor and Stoic, Marcus Aurelius, said that the best revenge is to be unlike your attacker. If you get into a shouting match, you have already lost. You've become just like them. But when you stay completely, unnervingly silent while they are expecting a fight, it short-circuits their entire brain. They look unhinged, and you look untouchable. Imagine it like a video game boss who only has one attack. They scream, they taunt, and they wait for you to react. But you don't. You just stand there. Calm, unmoving. Just look at them for a few seconds with a neutral expression, and then turn your body and change the subject. That silence is deafening. It communicates that their attack was so weak, so insignificant, that it wasn't even worthy of a response. The insult just hangs in the air and withers away into nothing. And that's the blueprint. The 3 Stoic hacks to make you unbreakable. You have the indifference shield, where you treat insults like junk mail. You have the humor weapon, your real-life Uno reverse card. And you have the silent observer, the ultimate power move that makes the attacker look foolish. True power isn't about having the fastest comeback. It's about owning that tiny moment of silence right after someone tries to hurt you. In that split second, you have all the power. You decide if you get triggered, or if you remain completely, totally, unbreakable. It is always your choice. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most ridiculous insult someone has ever thrown at you? Tell me your wildest stories in the comments below.